I think one of the big benefits of bringing a team is we spend a lot of time talking through some of the issues versus sort of like me kind of processing and then going back and having to say like, here's what we're going to do, right? So now I have 3 other people with me who are incredibly bought into the process, who've owned the process of developing the plan, and who are ready to kind of run with it the minute we get back to Columbus. So
it's excellent to bring a team. I cannot imagine doing this work in isolation because I would be bringing back my own ideas and presenting that to others. But 3 of us who work together already, we were working together here as well. We have 3 overarching goals, and then the goals of the other 2 team members fit into that. It's not my plan. It's an advancement plan for the school, and 3 people were here to help advance it.